Every editor at DTF Superstore was brimming with cheer, for the holiday season was drawing quite near. But Jeremy, overseeing the festive array, found little to smile about on this day. Jenny and Maureen, Phil and Sam too, came bounding to work with a skip in their shoe. Excited for holidays, spirits so grand, dreaming of Christmas, the best in the land. But what they saw made them stop and stare. Lame decorations? Oh, it just wasn't fair.
Holidays, schmolidays, all a big clatter. Why bother with this unnecessary chatter? Let's focus on our printers, our glorious machines. No need for this tinsel, these frivolous scenes.
Then Jenny whispered, with a spark in her eye,
We'll show him this spirit, we'll aim really high. Let's use our DTF magic in our own special way to bring Jeremy joy and brighten his day.
So they hatched a plan, right there and right then, to use DTF wonders again and again. Ornaments, wrappings, a skirt for the tree, stockings so grand, just wait and you'll see.
To make Christmas bright with the DTF touch, these wooden ornaments will charm so much.
Sam sets the press at 300, just so. With medium pressure, it's ready to go. 15 seconds, then lift with care, a final touch, 5 seconds to spare. With parchment on top, it's nearly complete. Each ornament now a holiday treat.
If graphics spill over, no need for fright. With an X-Acto knife, we'll make it just right.
Look at these wonders, a DTF feat. Each ornament here is remarkably neat.
Not bad at all. These trinkets do shine. Maybe, just maybe, this Christmas can be fine.
Jenny's up next with a whimsical plan to make wrapping paper better than anyone can.
With DTF's charm and a press in my hand, we'll turn this paper into something quite grand.
With the heat press warm at 300 degrees, Jenny works in sections with skilled expertise. For 25 seconds each, she presses with care, every inch precise, a festive affair.
Look at this paper with holiday flair, a DTF wonder beyond compare.
Well, this is something, my, quite the sight. Perhaps this Christmas will be wrapped up just right.
Maureen steps up with a task so bright, a tree skirt to craft a holiday delight. Using the Cricut Mini on a gentle setting, she'll add holiday spirit, nothing upsetting.
Around this skirt with designs to impress, we press at 2, no more, no less. Words of cheer in a merry array, creating a skirt that'll brighten the day. Look at our skirt, now merry and bright, ready to grace our tree tonight.
A tree's foundation now bright and bold, adorned with cheer, a sight to behold.
Now it's Phil's turn with a holiday quest to create stockings, each uniquely dressed. He chose polyester, avoiding the fluff. Don't press and destroy that fuzzy fluff stuff. Set at 265, a light, gentle press. 30 seconds is all, no more, no less.
Gently now, with precision and ease, we'll press each name, a holiday breeze.
With graphics added, a festive display, ready to hang for this Christmas day.
Behold these stockings, personalized with flair, a DTF creation made with care.
Now this is clever, a sight to behold. Christmas stockings, personalized and bold.
As the holiday creations now sparkled bright, a change in Jeremy was a heart-warming sight. Once Grinchy, now glowing, inspired by their flair, he decided to contribute with something to share.
Seeing their work so full of cheer has filled me with an idea. Oh, it's so clear. Matching pajamas with a DTF touch. For all of the team, it'll mean so much.
With newfound warmth, Jeremy joins the fray, creating pajamas in his own special way, utilizing DTF with care and with glee to craft something special for all to see.
Here are pajamas for each one of you, a gift of my thanks for all that you do.
Thank you, Jeremy.
These are just right.
In these pajamas,
I think
Hold on.
mine's too tight.
Our tale wraps up with spirits so high, a team united under a wintry sky. With DTF wonders and spirits so bright, Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.